What should I do if I have low hot water pressure in only one area of my home?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common issue you might have faced in your home: low hot water pressure in a specific area. It could be the bathroom, the kitchen, or the laundry area. Don't worry, there are several steps you can follow to diagnose and potentially solve this issue. So let's dive in.
Identifying the issue.
First and foremost, we need to confirm the problem. Start by checking other areas of your home to make sure the low pressure isn't a house-wide problem. Test other faucets and showers to confirm the issue is localized. If you have low hot water pressure throughout the house, the issue could be with the water heater itself, and you may need a professional to handle that.
Checking the faucet or shower head.
If the issue is indeed isolated, the first thing to look at is the faucet or shower head. Over time, they can get clogged with sediment and mineral buildup, especially if you have hard water. Here's what you can do. 1. Remove the faucet aerator or shower head. Be sure to turn off the water first. 2. Clean it with a solution of equal parts vinegar and water. Soak it for several hours, or overnight if possible. 3. Use a soft brush to gently scrub off any remaining sediment. 4. Rinse and reattach. Test your water pressure again. If it's back to normal, congratulations, you've solved the problem. If not, let's move on to the next step.
Inspecting the water heater valve.
Your next step is to check the water heater valve. Sometimes, if this valve is not fully open, it can cause low pressure in certain areas of your home. Make sure the valve leading to the hot water is fully open.
Checking the pipes.
If none of the above steps worked, the issue might lie in your piping system. You could be facing a pipe corrosion issue, or there might be a leak somewhere. In this case, it's recommended to call a professional plumber to inspect your pipes and diagnose the issue accurately. So there you have it. These are some simple steps to diagnose and potentially fix low hot water pressure in one specific area of your home. Remember, if none of these steps work, don't hesitate to contact a professional. We hope this video was helpful, and you're on your way to a nice, hot shower or wash. Until next time, stay safe and stay warm.